The MBM GoCrease 3000 features side adjustment wheels on both sides for quick changing of paper positioning. A skew adjustment thumb wheel helps perfect the adjustment further for a perfectly placed crease. The GoCrease 3000 will produce 3 different channel creasing widths as well as a perforation option. Once aligned, simply place your paper underneath the creasing bar and pull down the handle to crease. To change the creasing width, unlock the cover and pull out the bar. There is a different size on each side of the bar, including a lower perforation as well as a 0.06 inch, 0.04 inch, and 0.03 inch crease width. To switch from creasing to perforating, a few steps need to be taken. First, unscrew the handle to remove it. Then remove the cover by unscrewing the 2 locks on top. Remove the perforating knife carefully. Now loosen the screws in the crease base. Release the knife and exchange. Replace the screws to secure it in place, put the cover back on, and replace the top locks. Then just screw in the handle and you're ready to perforate. For more information about the MBM GoCrease 3000, visit us at binding101.com or call the number on your screen.